1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS. First year for the Camaro line. This car sits on these beautiful Cooper Cobras. You got the Rev torque thrust wheels. Tuxedo black paint. Looks really, really nice, guys. The paint is very slick on the car. Your front and rear chrome bumpers are in great condition. All the trim around the windows are in great condition. Dual sport side mirrors, big ass tires on the car. RS setup, as you can see, the reverse lights are under the bumper there. Beautiful reflection on the paint, nice white painted stripes. You see the 6x9s there in the rear package tray. Real nice stance. Wing windows, only year for the wing windows here. Free air conditioning. Like I said, guys, paint is really super slick on this car. Nice front grille. These headlights here are manual. Okay, so you'll have to do that. If you want to hook up the Detroit speed setup, I think they're like $700 plus installation, but I'm selling it as is, as shown. Let's check out the interior really quick, guys. Actually, you know what? Let me show you the reflection on this thing. Look at this thing. Super nice, super slick. Door panels are new. Interior is all brand new with the houndstooth. All the seat belts, inner outer door jambs are excellent. New door sill plates. Door lips are excellent. Original pinch welds on the doors. Nice steering wheel, brand new. Nice clear gauges, triple gauge package, upgraded radio, 4-speed manual, nice dash pad, and center console. There you have it, guys. First gen Camaro Tuxedo setup. Small block, 4-speed Posi. Excellent stance, great paint on the car, ready to go. If you need financing, you can find the credit application at my website at mgmclassiccars.com on the upper right hand corner. You will need $5,300 down payment. For financing, you can roll in your taxes, you can roll in your delivery charges, but you will need $5,300 down with good credits. For those of you who have a credit score of over 800, you can go to a no money down option that I have. You can call and text me for that information. For delivery, right to your driveway, licensed, insured, and bonded, text me your zip code. You may call, but texting is a little quicker. My number is area code 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, mgmclassiccars.com.